Today I got this 2018 Volkswagen Passat. I'm changing the front pads and rotors today. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's a very easy job. I'm going to do it pretty quick because I have a lot of other work to do. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Give y'all a little light. Now we're going to take these little dust boots. Thank you, sir. Your little dust boots out of here so you can get access to your bolts. One on top, one on the bottom. All right. You're going to need a 7mm Allen socket for this. You can use a Torx bit on it too, if you have a Torx bit, which, give me a second here and I'll show you what size. I think it's a T45, works. T45. And I'm going to show you. Let's take this little spring out first. A flathead action. Sometimes your brake pads will come with a new one, sometimes they don't, so don't throw it away yet until you know for sure. Now another thing I like to do is reset the piston before I pull the caliper off. And you might need a smaller not so wide screwdriver to do that. Let's see if we can get in there. All right. Keep prying. Now once you get it far enough back to get in this area right here, boom, just till it stops. All right. Take this little flathead here and fish these back some. All right. Now, swing her to the side. Pop your old brake pad out. Okay, now we're going to take our caliper bracket off, which is a 21mm. Let me find the wheel out a little further here. I actually used a 22 on it, but it's a 21. That's a 22, just confirm. Sorry y'all, I got a mess going here. I'm very busy today. Jesus. Where are all my 21s at? There's one. 13, 16, same thing. Yeah, that fits a little better. So if you're in a pinch, obviously you saw I used a 22 on it. It worked as well. If that's all you have, and I mean it grabbed it tight. I took it out with my gun. Got my new rotor here. Now I've already cleaned the oil off of it. Yeah, that's the thing about where I work. It's a very, very busy shop, and I like to have my tools in order, but it's so difficult to do that when, especially I've been by myself I'm going on 11 days straight without a day off. So the other tech is on vacation, so I'm having to fill in for him. So it's been mad. It's been a madhouse. Me being by myself. Put our bracket back on. Yeah, I'm trying to get videos in for y'all. They're not as maybe good quality as whenever I have help here. But I guess I'll go ahead and use the 21 since I found it. Or the 13/16. 21, 13/16, 22 7/8. Nice and tight. Let me go get my brake pads. They just arrived. These are for another car. The small box for the rear. It's on a Hyundai. Maybe I'll make a video on that. Okay, this one does not have a wear sensor on it, so a lot of these pads come with the wear sensor built onto them, and they don't got new clips, which that's okay. We'll just reuse the old ones. Get off me, plastic. Jesus, get off. Doesn't want to let go. Them little snippers here. Just cut that off. Like that. The one with the spring goes on the inside, obviously. Now, if you're having a hard time getting it in, just take your fat thumb. If you're really having a hard time, bend them in a little bit. Not too much. You want it to be a tight fit. So. And push that back because you won't be able to get your caliper on it. Those are sticking out. Okay, the outer pad. Now it's up to you if you want to put a little grease on the back of these. I never do, and I never have any problems. So that's, some people do, some people don't. I don't. I did in the beginning of my career, but I found that it absolutely serves no purpose. To me, it don't. All right, once you get those started, we're gonna make sure they're started before we just go running down. Okay, I know that one's started. That one started. Snug it down. All right. Now pay attention how I do this. Wrong way. Put your bottom in first. Get that to where it's just touching. Push back with your thumb. And it'll still be sticking out a little bit. Just take the end of a screwdriver or something blunt. Tap it to where it goes all the way in. That's how you do it. Put your wheel back on, torque her down. Pump your pedal up, and take a test drive. It's that easy, y'all. Sorry about the technical difficulties, but I got to move on to the next car. So, as always, y'all subscribe, check like. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.